Cybersecurity experts, imagine stepping into a world where artificial intelligence transforms your everyday work into a high-impact proactive defense strategy. In a landscape where malware, phishing scams, and ransomware never rest, embracing AI becomes not just an option but a necessity. This course is designed to empower you to not only detect and predict threats with unmatched efficiency, but also to change the way you approach cybersecurity altogether. You'll learn how to leverage advanced AI tools that sift through massive amounts of data, pinpointing patterns and vulnerabilities that manual methods might miss. This isn't just a theoretical exercise. The course offers practical, hands-on video tutorials, real-world scenarios, insightful guides, and on-the-go audio resources that let you integrate AI strategies into your daily routine. Imagine automating repetitive security tasks so you can focus on strategic decision-making. This course shows you how. And remember, most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. By learning at your own pace and enjoying monthly updates, you ensure your skills remain at the cutting edge. You're not just keeping up with change, you're staying ahead of it. For anyone ready to revolutionize their approach to modern cybersecurity, all the AI for Cybersecurity Analysts training courses are waiting for you at CompleteAItraining.com.